This is what the external of Citybox look like. It's quite good location. You head down there, turn right, you're at Central Station. Very close to Central Station. It's also a main pedestrian thoroughfare. It is Sunday, 10 o'clock in the morning, hence there's no one here. This is the reception at Citybox. You just have to enter your booking reference in the email and hopefully it spits out a card. Seven, three, six, three, five, seven. Oh, that's it. That's easy. Red umbrella. Okay, so the room, second floor, building C. This is a nice lobby area. What to use. There's also a communal kitchen over there and vending machines. Great idea. Sometimes I get the midnight cravings. There's a laundromat on the bottom floor, on the ground floor, that you access through your swipe card. Okay, so to wash it's 75 krona and to dry 75 krona. Instruction on how to use it. Okay, here you go. Here you go. And there's a dry iron facility as well. So, welcome to the room tour of 240 Citybox Oslo. Get in. Why does it smell like wood in here? Wow, talk about basic room. This is going to be a quick tour. This is the view. Oh, that's inside the lobby. It's actually not a bad room for a one person. The hell? I think that's supposed to be like that. Here's a toilet. Showers. towels. Yeah, basic, simple, that's all you need really. Bigger desk. Okay, the important Wi-Fi test. Wow, that is fast. Come on, upload speed. Wow, this is the best so far. That is impressive. Something wrong with this door. This is weird. So even though after it closed, it opens by itself. Took me a while to figure out. You have to swipe for it to lock up here. What a quirk. I only discovered it because I have a habit of checking for the door. Only to find out that I came back and it opened. This is crazy.